Hi guys, welcome to the very first video of my YouTube channel. Today I'm taking you to a beautiful villa stay I experienced about 2 months ago in Sri Lanka. This place is called Farm Villa by Heritage and this is located in down south Sri Lanka in the area called Kataragama. Farm Villa is spread across a large area surrounded by paddy fields, open land and greenery. The villas are simple, beautiful, and very peaceful. This trip felt like a real escape from laptops, office work, studies, and especially the busy city life. I stayed away from my phone, relaxed my mind, and truly enjoyed the moment. The most magical part was the sound of the wind. It was so calm, soothing, and stress free. If you ever visit Sri Lanka, don't forget to visit this place. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next video. Thank you.